Hello, my name is Damon, and this is my demonstration for ICE2 API gateways, catching, and containered microservices for COMP3095. In this lab, I worked on a complete microservice architecture using Spring Boot, Docker Compose, Redis, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and API gateways. I will show you how all these services run together and how the catchings work and how the inter-service communication is verified. I created a private GitLab repository and added the professor as a reporter. All modules, product service, order service, inventory service, and API gateways are included. My Docker Compose.yml sits in the root folder and orchestrates the entire environment. Next, I'll demonstrate the Docker desktop and all the containers running. This includes the API gateway, product service, order service, inventory service, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, databases, Redis Insight, pgadmin, and Mongo Express. And I'll also show you the Docker PS and the port mapping to confirm everything is active. All APIs are done only through the localhost 8080, which is the gateway. And I import my Postman collection and test all the endpoints, product order, and inventory routing through the gateway, so no service was called directly following the assignment's rules. And here I'm demonstrating how placing an order triggers a chain reaction from the order service to the inventory service to the database to the response. And here I'll show the logs for both services and the response, changing depending on whatever inventory is available, and this proves the microservice communication is correct. Next, I'll demonstrate the Redis catching. And the first GET request for products hits MongoDB, and the second request retrieves the catch data from Redis. And I confirm this using logs and to show Redis Insight to display the actual catch series. Inside IntelliJ, I run all integration tests using JUnit and test containers. And you can see here that the real PostgreSQL, Redis, and MongoDB containers start automatically. All tests, including the product catching, order flow, and inventory, pass. In conclusion, in this lab, I learned how to build and run multiple microservices using Docker Compose, use an API gateway to centralize routing, implement Redis catching, use test containers for real-world integration testing, and overall, I think this lab at least strengthened my understanding of how to use the real microservice architectural testing, communication, and containerization. Thank you for spending your time listening to this, and I hope I did a good job.